What's up? It's your boy Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper focus on them infill lots. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you can go ahead and subscribe, push the like button, turn the notification bell on, and if you find any epic wild content, go ahead and drop me a comment. Appreciate you. Today I'm gonna just be freestyling today. Today I'm gonna be talking about what's working and what's not working in my business, and hopefully I can shed a little light to help people. Basically bust a move if you haven't busted a move. I know a lot of people are in the analysis paralysis state. Which SMS program should I use? Which direct mail should I use? What I'm going to tell you to do from your boy, from my heart, just be consistent. Whatever you do, just be consistent. Choose one. You know what I'm saying? If you got unlimited marketing dollars, then okay, you can do what you want to do. But if you're on a budget, choose what your budget can handle. So if you're trying to get in the SMS game, I'm going to go ahead and help you out. I'm going to take the guesswork out. REI reply, $49. Done. Done. Do it. It is not user-friendly. Okay, got to put that out there to you. That joint is a beast. But once you get it set up, it's a monster. I'll be very, very honest with y'all. Somebody put me on my REI reply, one of my students, done very, very good with it. I looked at it and I was like, this is not user-friendly. I don't want to use it. I end up paying $400 a month with Lead Sherpa. Got the shiny object syndrome, moved from Lead Sherpa, trying to save money, moved to a company called HiveMind, CRM. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? The same thing, HiveMind, is $200 and something a month. REI Reply is $49 a month. And they the same system, two different names. Wow, I tell you. So I got HiveMind set up. It's running smooth. But it's the same thing as REI Reply. I'm keeping 100 done with you. You know I ain't gonna swell to you. I am an affiliate with HiveMind. But listen, save your bag, man. Save your bag. Go to REI Reply. I dropped the link. I'm not an affiliate with them. I probably need to be an affiliate with them. But I'm gonna drop the link down there, man. Get REI Reply. Get in the game, okay? Get in the game. The SMS game is vicious. You hear me? Definitely a great ROI. I don't have any numbers in front of me, but hopefully I can do a video a little later with some numbers on it to basically delve into, you know what I'm saying, what type of ching I'm making. But I'm making ching from it. Best believe. And, you know, they got it set up with a back end with Twilio. It's like 1 penny a text. I might spend a couple $100 a month in SMS, but I mean, to spend $200, $300, $400 and to get a deal, average deal, you know, $7,500, $10,000. I mean, that's crazy. Holla at your boy. Multiple deals. So again, the SMS game is vicious. Please. If you're on a low budget, I highly recommend you do the following. Holla at your boy. Get REI Reply, $49 a month. Second thing, PropStream, get you some data, $99 a month. You can cancel it after the first month. $99, okay? We're at $150. You get 10,000 exports, which is equivalent to 1 penny. 10,000 exports, 1 penny. You can't beat it with a bat. Sorry. All right. And you need to go ahead and skip trace that data. They are 11 cents. I don't pay 11 cents. I pay like 2 cents. But I buy my data in bulk through Versium. So go ahead and spend that 11 cents. Skip trace. I guess out of 10,000 leads, you probably going, after you clean, duplicates, blah, you're going to have about 5,000, 6,000 leads. If you only can afford to skip trace 1,000 leads or 500, skip trace that. Pull the data, clean the data, skip trace that, and get in the game, people. Get in the game. So many people asking me, what do you use? What should you use? Man, listen, it don't matter. Use what your money can afford. Like, you know what I'm saying? No matter what I use, you can't, you know what I'm saying? I'm on another level. You know what I'm saying? I've been in the game 3 years. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the process, Lord's willing, starting to build, etc. rentals. I mean, I'm a little bit more advanced than the average person, with all due respect. So if you're new, if you're fresh like a tennis shoe, you need to get in the game. SMS gonna get you in the game. I think PropStream running 11 cents per skip trace. Yeah, it's a little high, but I would rather you use that because it's in the same platform as you pulling your data, so you won't have to do too much work. What I do recommend is make sure you export that data first before you skip trace it, because you want to remove duplicates. PropStream data has a lot of duplicate owners in there. Ton of duplicate owners. And I don't want you paying money for, you know, someone you could touch one time and then say, hey, would you happen to have any more properties available? So that's very, very important. 2, if you got some change to invest, but you don't have time. Oh, I forgot to add. SMS game is time consuming. You send out 1,000 text messages, you might get 200-300 replies. People are going to ask you questions. People are going to curse you out. They're going to do middle finger emojis. They're going to, I mean, it's crazy. But check this out. It's going to eat up a lot of your time. Not only do you got to respond to these people, you got to analyze these deals, and you have to make an offer. So, again, it's time consuming. Yes, it is a low barrier to entry. Yes, it's not that expensive. However, it is going to eat up a lot of your time. Now, if you don't have no time to put in, then you need to do what I'm doing, which works. The second thing, direct mail. Okay, blind offers. Listen, that works so great. And I found out a new strategy. So, and I'm going to share with you the strategy, but let me just talk about the blind offers. So, basically, I use a company called REI Conversion, which is Pebble. Link in the description if you want to get to know a little bit more. It's about $200 a month. And they the cheapest right now for the mail. I mean, and organized and systematic and crazy loud features. Like, let me tell you about the direct mail game. Typically what happens in direct mail is you send out 1,000 letters. You may get 100 calls. You may do 5 deals. And then your pipeline is slow. What I like about Pebble is basically I can chop that 1,000 up, divide it by 30 days, and send out blind offers daily. So I can have a consistent lead flow opposed to poof, drop the mail, get the ring, get the deals, done. Do it again. Poof. I'm saying? So you don't have to do that. They got it set up, man, where you can drip. It's called the drip. Follow the drip. That's what it's called. But let me get back focused. But yeah, direct mail is working real good for your boy. I send to LLCs and I send to individuals. And people, you'll be amazed how many people sign the contract and send it back to me. You'll be amazed. You'll just be amazed how many people just call me. And I'm going to tell you what I did. And it's crazy. Another wholesaler sent me a letter. Okay. Maybe some of my properties. He sent me a blind offer on a lot I own, something like that. Whatever. But that joker had a mean letter. A mean letter meaning the joint was dope. Like, the Bama letter was dope. Like, I really, I was like, whoa. He did one thing what I thought was very important was on a blind offer, he basically, so it's 2 pages. One page tell you a little bit about your company and then a blind offer. You can just do the blind offer. I'd like to tell them a little bit about my company. So opposed to 50 cents, it's 55 cents per mail piece. 55 cents per mail piece, okay? But the good thing about it is I don't take none of my calls. It goes to Pat Lives 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Pat Lives takes the information, sends it to me. I get a text message on my phone, and it looks something like this when the opportunity is coming to your boy. So, you know what I'm saying? This is what it look like. You know what I'm saying? These are all direct mail leads. You hear me? Yeah, I don't take none of the calls. So, poof, I go in there, I look at the opportunities. Deal, no. Deal, no. That's it. You know what I'm saying? It's automated. It's peaceful. It's restful. Look, I'm not striving. It takes me 30 minutes to pull my data, clean my data, upload my data. Poof! Done. And I can recycle my data. So if I want to mail every 90 days, all I got to do is go back in the system, recycle the list, poof! Drop it again on them. So I love it. I mean, direct mail, I mean, that's all you really need for real because you don't have to chase people. Opportunities come to you. I love that business model. I am aggressive. That's why I do SMS, and I like to turn. You can turn deals real fast for SMS. But with the direct mail game, it's a little bit slow motion. You know what I'm saying? But the opportunities are there. These people want to do business. You know what I'm saying? I had a dude, man, send me some properties. 4 properties in a high-end area. I hope you rock with me. I offered him 1.3 million. I think I could probably trade it for about 1.7, 1.8 million, no cap. And it's just dirt in Charlotte. Dirt, high area. hot area. So again, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, the mail game vicious. I love the mail game. I'm actually coming out with a course. If you want to support your boy, I definitely appreciate you. I'm coming out with a course next year, $9.97. That's it. That's all I'm hitting for you. And I might even throw in the SMS game in there, man, because I want to over deliver, man. I want to bless people socks off. You hear me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Instead of charging $9.97 for each course, you know, Lord's willing, I want to be in a position where I can just dump both of them in there, the SMS game and also the direct mail game, and let it rock out like that. $9.97. You ain't gonna beat it, man. It's gonna be, yeah. You hear me? But yeah, check me out, man. If you're local to the Charlotte market, your boy hosting local meetups every month. You holler at your boy on Moorhead. If you want to check it out, the link in the description, meetup.com. Definitely would love to see your face. Come on out, ladies, gentlemen. You know what I mean? You can even bring your kids. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bring the kids. Teach the kids about the real estate, about the vacant land game. I teach the kids. I don't care. I want them all to win. You hear me? Let's win together. You can bring your grandma. You can bring your uncle, your cousin, little daddy and them, little poo-poo. Whoever you want to bring them, man. Come out, show some love. You know, I'm doing this because I want to build a community of people who, you know, who taking massive action. And the only way to take massive action is you got to know what to do. And that's what I'm here for, to tell you what to do, okay? My last name, Dupee. You feel me? Hey! But, yeah, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for everybody who's showing love. Oh, man, I'm just so grateful. There's so many names. I can't even, you know, remember everybody's name. But thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your DMs, I mean, man, the 30-minute. Oh, I had to add something. I do have, if you're not in my Facebook group, We Are Land Specialists, I got a free course for you. Off-market land deals on Udemy. And if you're looking for any scripts, right down there, holler at your boy. I got, man, tons of treats down there for your Halloween. Trick or treat, holler at your boy. I got good stuff for you. You know what I'm saying? Because I want you to win. Again, I'm in it for the people, man. I want to see the people win. I want a whole community. Lord's willing, one day, I want a whole community of straight land specialists just pull up on me. You hear me? And I rent out like a mansion. You hear me? And I just be like, man, get your flight, pull up. I got it. You know what I'm saying? Lord's willing, a year from now, I want, man, land specialists pulling up and I rent out a mansion. You know what I'm saying? And like, yeah, like you just, yeah, it's a tax write-off. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, where they do that at? And I want everybody just come together from all over the world. And I want us to, man, kind of like do a video or some type of, you know, something for other people, for a whole nother tribe, whole nother community. To say, man, look what we built in a year. You know what I'm saying? These 50 people right here. You know what I'm saying? All of them doing multiple 6 figures or better in the land game, in the land space. So that's really my vision. You know what I'm saying? To be in a position where I can rent out Airbnb, a mansion. You hear me? For the community. Real talk. You know what I mean? If I got to get a 20, 30 bedroom, you know what I'm saying? In Jesus' name, I'm going to get it. Hey! Let's go. You know what I'm saying? I need more tax write-offs these days. So I'm telling you, get ready. Come on, get in position. Listen, take action, people. Invest some dough. And let's get it. It's big dirt out here. You don't know what to hunt. Man, check me out. My hunting criteria down there. Hunting criteria, man. You can get it. It's out there. Hey, if you get stuck like Chuck, holler at your boy. Send me an email. It's down there. Okay? If you want to JV with your boy, if you're scared, you don't know what to do. It's okay to be scared. It's okay. Have a little fear, a little anxiety. You can JV with your boy. I hold your hand. But my goal is not to hold you hostage. My goal is to show you how to do these deals so you don't need me. I'm not trying to make people dependent on me. Hear me out. I want people to be self-sustained, and I want them to be in a position to teach other people. You hear me? I want to make disciples. You feel me? And I want them to teach other disciples and other disciples. You know what I'm saying? So please understand where I'm coming from. It's a whole different atmosphere. What's going on out there? What's going on out there? People out there trying to get your bag. I get it. You know, they constantly marketing to you in your DMs, everywhere, on your messenger. I get it. Make wise choices. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, be a good steward over your chain. Man, I salute you, appreciate you. If you need anything, man, holler at your boy. I mean, I'm here for you. Thank you for your time and consideration. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that right now. Holler at your boy, Damien Dupee, God like to win.